In this video, I'll show you how to fix buffering issues on Peacock. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet speed meets the minimum requirements for streaming. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Step 2. Adjust video quality. In Peacock settings, adjust video quality to a lower setting to reduce buffering. Choose auto, low or medium video quality for smoother playback. Step 3. Close background apps. Close unnecessary apps or tabs running in the background that may slow down streaming. Make sure no other devices are consuming bandwidth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Now go ahead and click on that subscribe button.